Here's how to make a public profile on Snapchat under 18. In order to create a public profile on Snapchat under 18, you have to increase your age. You have to change some settings on your Snapchat app. So first of all, open your Snapchat app and open your profile. Tap on this gear icon at the top right corner and tap on birthday. And now you have to increase your birth date from here. Once done, scroll down and inside of privacy control section, you have to change some settings. Tap on contact me and select everyone. Tap on view my story, select everyone. Tap on see me in quick add and make sure it's enabled. And then go to your phone settings and open Snapchat. So all you have to need, just enable background app refresh. Now you have to update your Snapchat app. To do that, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Snapchat. And here update your Snapchat app and relaunch the Snapchat app. Go to your profile and here now you will get the create public profile option. So tap on it and now you can create your public profile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.